What's going on, everyone? Today's the 31st of July, 2023. Here to talk about Bitcoin Cash. Trying to figure out, okay, let's think about this. What do you think about Bitcoin Cash going below $230 by the end of next week? Think that that's possible? Do you think the price of Bitcoin Cash is weak, or do you still think it's maintaining its bullishness and price will inevitably go up? Let's talk about that real quick because I got a price prediction already on the chart for Bitcoin Cash. You guys can see it right here. Price prediction was produced on the 21st of July. And I was looking for the market in Bitcoin Cash to go lower. You guys can actually see it. That price has come down and it maintained this lower area of support into market for Bitcoin Cash right here. Okay, so this is the area that buyers stepped in and supported Bitcoin Cash price. You can even do it like this too, to show you that this is where buyers are coming into the market in Bitcoin Cash. This is around $230. So the title of this video is talking about Bitcoin Cash going below $230 by next week. Why would I say something of that sort? Well, because of what occurred into the market yesterday for Bitcoin Cash. The market attempted to go up yesterday, and there was an increased amount of selling that came through. The market closed off of the highs on yesterday's trading. We got the indicator triggered as well to signify that that was more selling coming into the market in Bitcoin Cash than they were buying. That is why the market currently on this daily price bar is going down. Okay, so now let's go ahead and straighten this up. We're not going to follow this downtrend line no more into the market in Bitcoin Cash because price broke out of that area yesterday. Okay, so the market is not generally that weak. So let's go ahead and fix that. Okay, and let's go ahead and get rid of this downtrend line here as well, and we're going to show you what's really going on into the market for Bitcoin Cash. And this is it. We have a very wide trading channel going on into the market for Bitcoin Cash. Let's go ahead and extend this out a little bit further. Let's look at the market in Bitcoin Cash on the 2-day chart. You guys can currently see that the market is not generally that weak. We've been holding a base level of support around $230, which is fantastic for those looking for the market in Bitcoin Cash to elevate and go up. My concern is in the next 13 hours and 18 minutes, this market in Bitcoin Cash on the 2-day time frame still shows the way that it looks right now. Okay, we definitely don't want to see that. So let's give the market 13 more hours before we actually see what it's up to. Again, you can see it on the 3-day time frame here as well. Take a look at Bitcoin Cash on the 5-day. Here it is on the weekly time frame. And right here on the weekly time frame, it kind of shows me that this market is maintaining its strength right there around $230. So just by us quickly transitioning over to varying time frames, we can actually tell that the likelihood of seeing Bitcoin Cash fall below $230 is not that likely right now, which goes against my price prediction. Like, I was looking for the market of Bitcoin Cash to go lower, and we did see that. But for us to see buyers really hold the market in Bitcoin Cash around 230, it tells me that that's where they're currently trying to buy this cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction into the market in Bitcoin Cash, and we're going to anticipate the market in Bitcoin Cash to go up. Let me see something first, because you can definitely see where the selling is coming into the market on this 15-hour price bar. These two 15 hours, the market in Bitcoin Cash definitely got walloped with a whole lot of selling. So it seems to me that this market in Bitcoin Cash may come back down and test 240, back down to 230. And then that is where the answer is going to be told as to whether or not Bitcoin Cash is strictly bullish or not. So if you guys were able to see that last video that I produced for Bitcoin Cash, we said that one target would be around 230, and the market in Bitcoin Cash came to that area on these 15-hour price bars on the 25th of July. That was around 5% there. If you was able to chip off a little bit of profit there, congratulations. If not, if you were to get out of the market now in Bitcoin Cash, will be down 3.9% there. All right, so let me go back and look at this on the 330 minute. No, I'm sorry. Let's look at this on the 11-hour chart. And I think you guys can definitely see again where the selling is coming into the market of Bitcoin Cash. Here it is. So this is where the battle is being torn between the buyers and the sellers. Buyers are down here around 230. Sellers are coming in around 260. It's just that simple. In order for us to really see price go higher, buyers needs to take out the sellers at 260. Okay. Now you can utilize this as a gauge for price progression into the market in Bitcoin Cash in order to know whether or not the buyers are still present. Okay. These two lines here represent where buyers needs to hold price. Currently, market is generally weak, all because of selling coming in at 260. So I am going to place some strength on this particular chart. Not looking for Bitcoin Cash to break below 230 yet. And 260 is the target area already. Our first target though for Bitcoin Cash is going to be around 270, which is 6.43%. The second target is going to be around 280, which is 10.5. I'm just going to put those two targets on there. Okay. And I'm done. It's your turn. Go ahead and let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.